Bunny's busy day. Bunny waked with the sun. Hops around just for fun. Just for fun. Brushes, snack, and combs his hair. Goes to school with happy feet. Sings a song and takes his seat. Learns to count and learns to write. Draws a rainbow so bright. Hops and skips the evening away. Dinner, bath, and bedtime too. Bunny dreams of skies so blue.